Wagwan, our environment is different. Yeah, we know, but we decided to switch it up a bit, you know? But guess where we're at? We're at the lot. It's a world of art, food, drinks, and entertainment. The lot is the place, and it's located at 33 Constant Spring Road. So, this week's show, I got nice. I'm gonna tell you, it's a nice, enough niceness. Here's what to come. We feature BRT Weekend Highlights, Queen of the Dancehall Spice reveals Baby Bump, full tour of the lot, and a proper conversation with owner Craig Pangsang. Celebrity barber Free Cut, stop and talk a little bit with us. Enough new music and some other little niceness. I'm your host, Alicia. Make us start the show now. Queen of the dancehall and love and hip-hop Atlanta superstar, Spice, whose given name is Grace Hamilton, revealed to her many fans on Instagram a beautiful picture of her embracing a baby bump with caption, "God has been so good to me." While fans are happy and excited for her, they are a bit hesitant in believing that she's actually pregnant due to her controversial post of her skin color being completely changed in aid of promoting her new music back then, dubbed Black Hypocrisy. And it did have the internet in a bit of a frenzy. But all in all, if a new music or actual blessing, congrats to you, Spice, from the E-Volve team. It's indeed a great pleasure and honor to see our Prime Minister's wife, Juliette Holness, host a Women's Day breakfast in celebration of International Women's Day. Here are the highlights. No man, then I saw BRT Weekend did nice. We missed it, but we got some highlights from your favorite YouTube channel, Jamaican Chat. And best believe that next year, can't miss we. I will tell you, say can't miss we, dead with there. It was lit, and I mean all parties were lit. Here are the highlights. Rihanna, we, the Caribbean Massive, are indeed proud of you. She represented us well on Sunday at the 95th Academy Award as she delivered a flawless performance on stage, and indeed, she gave a stellar one of the track Lift Me Up, which is the soundtrack of the movie Black Panther Wakanda Forever Marvel movie. She received an undeniable standing ovation from the audience. Take a look. art of operating a business is not for the weak at heart, but when you add a bit of creative mindset to win, you win big. We're at the lot recording today, and it's not only beautiful at night, but it's gorgeous during the day. The art in various areas of the space, plus an art gallery to match, is quite unique. Plus, the space is calm to work during the day and very energetic at nights. But to give you more about the lot, it's Bessie here from founder and owner Craig Pangsang.
So first of all, this is an entertainment complex that happens to have 3 restaurants, a bar, and an art gallery. We are wrapped around in art, and that's a major, major part of it. It's a full experience, from audio to video to food, and to just kind of overload you with art and artistic things and art from many, many places and styles. We open at about 11 a.m. and we go on, depending on which day of the week, anywhere between 11 and maybe 2:30 in the morning. We have on a Sunday, we have an oldies night. On a Tuesday, we have karaoke. On Wednesday, we have seafood night. Friday, we have EXO, which is Extraordinary Fridays, which is a really, really great and large party. And the other weeks, we fill in with different things that pop up that we want to do. We're still not officially open yet, but we kind of started operating on July 1st. And we have quite a bit more surprises for the public. And I'm trying to get that done before we actually have the official opening. We want it to be the place where everybody just feels it's their place to be. You know, you can come with your laptop, sit down, just enjoy just the time by yourself, or come with friends. And you can come with 50 friends if you want. You can come with 100 friends. You want to come with 400 friends, we have the space for you. Usually anyone that comes in say, well, hey, I think I have a great idea for my friends to come back and we want to come chill, or we want to come this, or there's a party or a birthday or an event of just gathering or whatever it may be. I don't think there's anyone that has come, well, first of all, when they on the outside, they see this paint dripping on this zinc, and they can't quite figure out what the heck is behind the walls. But once they come around into the parking lot and they come through the actual gate into the venue, there's usually a wow factor in their mind, because I don't think there's anything else quite like it in Jamaica at all. It's my passion that has turned into a business. It's still my passion. Actually, the entire venue was built and conceived around the fact that what I'd really like to do is just concentrate on doing my art in its very many forms. So the business will take care of me while I can spend the time creating stuff that I think is unique. We have had band launches, we have had artist launches, music, car launches, or debuts, if you want to call it that. We have had soca events, we have had parties of all different types. So for me, it's totally, totally satisfying to see that the entire place is so adaptable to almost anything you can bring in here. There's just so much to see and do here, and there's almost no limit as to what you can do. What we'd really, really like is for people to take this as their break away from their office, break away from the kids, break away from just where you normally cannot find. To just come in and sit with your laptop, sit with friends, come and have a drink, come and eat, just come and sit and meditate. If you go to the Instagram, which is fairly easy, it's DLOT, D_lot, J-A, and you can send the messages right there, it's easy. So it's D, not the. So our Jamaican language, right? And it's simple, 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 DLOT, J-A.
Foodies, we're finally back with something else for you. This time, it's for our seafood lovers. Talk about shrimp, crab, fish, cooked in many different styles with lots of flavors. Come with us. Let's see what Seafood 876 has to offer.
Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nicholas Demarcado, the owner and the founder of Seafood 876. I enjoyed cooking from a young age, and we had some neighbors that had office parties once a year, so I would assist them with cooking the food, curry goat, chicken, beef, you name it, pork, it was there. So we do anything from the sea. We do octopus, squid, fish, conch, shrimp, lobster, king crab, blue crabs, you name it, we have it. And if not, we can get it. All right, so we have our ginger scallion butter sauce that is homemade and it's done in our king crab, lobster, blue crab, shrimp. Our seafood mix, we have 3 different sizes. We have a small for $4,000 that comes with a lobster tail, blue crab, shrimp, corn and potatoes. So, we have the basics, fried fish, steamed fish, brown stew fish, but we also have a Chinese ginger scallion fish, which is a bit different from how Jamaicans steam their fish. So the lobster can be done either garlic, butter, ginger scallion, or regular deep fried. My biggest challenges when starting the restaurant was finance, to accumulate the right amount of capital to start the business. Make sure you have a budget and a plan. Because you get carried away, you buy unnecessary equipment that you may not need, and sometimes you have to plan. If you don't plan, then you fail to plan. If you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. Put yourself in their shoes. You go to an entity, expect good service, and that it is. Jamaica lacks good customer service, so we try to excel on that here at Seafood 876. Okay, so we're open from Tuesday to Sunday, 11 a.m. to 9:10 p.m. You can find us on Instagram at Seafood 876, and we're located at The Lot on 33 Constant Spring Road.
Us. We'll be right back with more PBCJ's E-Volve. This nice. I'm not gonna tell no lie. Seafood 876. We need to come. Yeah. This have ginger and something nice. Nice.
Yeah, man, up. Look at that. She can't even put it on as yet.
I will this. I'm not even about to cover it.
Hi, my name is Patrick Frey, CEO of Frey Cuts by Patrick. Frey Cuts is a barbering service. However, I try to do it with a little difference. So I'm a celebrity barber. Currently, I cut people like Skeng, Baker, Zimmy, Zimmy say, yeah. I cut Ramesh, Jada Kingdom. I cut Russian as an international celebrity. The others, because of client confidentiality, I won't say, but I have a few international celebrities under my belt. I think what separates me from the other barbershops, I take my time to do my job. So being in a regular barbershop, it's like cut and go. Next, who is next? I take my time for the price I charge, I take my time. So it keeps me on a pace where I can do the work correctly and still get successful results and, happy customers. It's been a fair 7-8 years. It's been good. Over the years, it increased, growth in many different ways. I try to reach more people on a daily basis, weekly, monthly. It's been a good growth, I can say. Meeting these celebrities, it was just because I was just there, I know a lot of people who were in the mix, so I was just there. And I capitalized on that to make it benefit my business, so that rather than just being there as just another person, an entourage member, I converted that to being, making money for myself, if you understand. So my first celebrity client, I was actually calm and composed because I already had familiarity with a lot of celebrities before. So I was very calm. That was even how I got the first gig. So I was very calm and composed, but deep down inside, to post it on my page to show the world that my dream is becoming a reality, it made me feel extremely great within myself. And I could then say, yes, this is I am now a celebrity barber. Where sleeping, resting is concerned, like these artists will call you at any given time of the day and say, hey, I'm going to Ochi now, I need a cut, I am at a villa. And it's really up to me, do I want to say no or do I want that money? So the lifestyle is very, very hard. Something I wouldn't want to do if I had a choice. I do have a choice, but in the term where, you know, if I was like a more simpler barber. So I compromise my personal life to make my dream come true. You find that most people cut with me not only because they want a haircut, but they might come for a whole experience and just for even par. I try to make it worth it, like I spend time for your cut. So it's not even just about your pocket, because I don't care who you be. I don't care who you be. My price is my price. It applies right across the board. So I really the trim I pay for, not because you want a celebrity or because you make money or no. Anybody pay the same price. Yeah, so follow me on Instagram at Fraycuts by Patrick, FRAISCUTZ by Patrick. For the people who want to just pop up, I don't have a location right now because I'm mobile. Like most of the people I trim, I go to them. So for a regular man who want a haircut with me, you can follow me on Instagram, look out for my pop-ups. I'm doing pop-ups in all parishes, you know, at the finest barbershops in each parish. So you can look out, follow me on Instagram and look out for them thing there. Yeah, strict appointments only. The booking link is in my bio. Also, deposits are required because, you know, people love waste people's time. I'm gonna depend on that.
When the music hits you, you feel no pain. Let's get into the new music playlist of the week. Make we do this now. Governor with Comfort Zone. Lamborghini featuring Beanie Man with Count Your Blessing. Nyla Blackman, Father Phyllis, and Salty with Technique. Vibes Cartel with From Mabon. DeMarco with Life. Talk about Sean Paul, Damian Marley, and Nicky Jam with No Fear. Take a look.
Because I can't fail myself, and I won't fail my friends. My family depends on me. Real dogs don't switch up ends, and I will fight and bleed to make
life harsher than ginger, kick you like a ninja. Bad mind a fly to your body like a sprinter. Anytime you see me at the Mercedes Sprinter, lyrics just a fly through me head like a printer. Just send me as a messenger, him a the avatar, me a the
push your body go, bum 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 bum. Technique fling it up and down go, bum 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 bum. Technique make the man them dumb. Take like snicker, stripe like tiger, pull them trigger than dead. Shop my liquor, sweet not better, don't like go to hell.
Heartlessness, dogs restless, tormented. Hopelessness, cope with stress, cope it rest. Everybody a pre better, nobody no one suffer. Destroy whoever feel where them feel them forget.
Well, a small prayer, my child. We did have a vision, but it's mere by side. Yeah, nah, if me coulda buy life, empty the wells Fargo. Yeah. So me got some things and times will tell. So you got to learn your lessons well. Some man live in a mansion, them a get pension, while some living in hell.
Watch Cabana Yaso over Dillat and Niceness. Big up on us still, and thanks for watching another fun episode of PBCJ's E-Volve. I'm your nice, clean host, Alicia. Follow me on all socials at PBCJamaica. Also, if you have a story to share, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. Big up to Hair Addiction Collections for my bundles to create this nice fluffy ponytail. You can follow them at Hair Addiction Collections. And remember to live an entertaining lifestyle.